Let's take a sneak peek at drawing details, something new in TPC Desktop 2021. So I'm going to drop down to the bottom of this drawing here, and I've got a section that has got a lot of information in it here. And I need to draw a detail boundary object, and I'm going to use one of these here and create a detail for it. So I actually just drew an ellipse earlier, kind of sized it to what I think might work here. But I can also, for a detail boundary, use rectangles, rounded rectangles, circles, or polylines. So any of these would work. And then once I've drawn the boundary for the detail, I just right-click it. I choose New Detail. I've got quite a number of options. If I want to put a scale in with that, I use this drawing variable called factored scale per inch, and it takes the drawing scale and the factor for the detail and creates a scale here for me. So I want to do that. I'm going to put it on the details layer, or I could create that layer here. And then I'm going to retain objects outside the labels. So we're going to trim this survey line, and it's got a label on it. We're going to trim this survey line, it's got a label. So this option here says retain those with the detail. And then I want to edit it after I position it. So here's my detail. I'm going to position it where I want. And then remember I said I wanted to edit it. So let's go ahead and zoom in around the areas that I want to edit here. And I want to bring this label out just a little bit because it's a little bit tight, and drop it down. I want to bring this one up here. I want to bring this one out just a little bit. And I could certainly come in and change anything else I wanted to inside this detail. And the prompt line says, press enter when you're finished. So now I've just created a detail, and I can move it wherever I want. It's that simple to do details in TPC Desktop 2021.